Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Sunday sharpened his attack on the Bharatiya Janata Party with a three-pronged criticism of the government on a number of issues he has been raising already. Hours before, Rahul Gandhi had tweeted his criticism of the centre over its handling of the face-off with China in eastern Ladakh last month, saying India will pay a huge price because of the government's cowardly actions. On Sunday, the former Congress president added the coronavirus pandemic, India's economy and the border standoff with China to his list yet again. BJP has institutionalized lies. 1. COVID-19 by restricting testing and misreporting deaths. Number 2. GDP by using a new calculation method. Number 3. Chinese aggression by frightening the media, Rahul Gandhi posted. He also repeated his warning from Saturday. The illusion will break soon and India will pay the price, he said. Rahul Gandhi has been suggesting positive measures to fight the corona battle and revive the economy. The Wayanad lawmaker and his party have been raising these issues relentlessly and calling out to the government over what they have said is the mishandling of the situations the country is facing. Rahul Gandhi had issued a video on Twitter to talk about several aspects of the government's policies that he said the centre has destroyed over the last 6 years and resulted in the present action by the Chinese.
Countries are protected not by one particular thing, but by a confluence of forces, by a confluence of systems. Okay, so a country is protected by its foreign relationships, it is protected by its neighborhood, it is protected by its economy, it is protected by the feeling that its people have, the vision that its people have. And what has happened over the last 6 years, that on all those areas, India has been disturbed and disrupted.
Since 2014, the Prime Minister's constant blunders and indiscretions have fundamentally weakened India and left us vulnerable. Empty words don't suffice in the world of geopolitics, Rahul Gandhi tweeted on Friday. Rahul Gandhi gave these reasons behind China's aggressive stance against India as both the neighbours have clashed on its border in eastern Ladakh in the last few months, taking their ties to a new low. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has evolved as a responsible leader of the masses who has been contributing to the battle against the pandemic, but the government has been full of prejudices and low politics.